Say it isn't true.
Amara, don't start.
I'm not starting anything. I'm finishing what you've been hiding. Say it.
Is it-
It's not what you think. How long?
It just happened.
It just happened? You tripped and fell into another woman?
It didn't mean anything.
Was I not enough?
I'm sure you have seen this type of AI movies online and you are wondering to yourself, how do they create them? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this type of AI movies with multiple characters talking so that you can start your own TikTok and YouTube channel. Truth to be told, this type of AI movies have gone viral on platforms like TikTok and even YouTube. If you're a storyteller and you have been wondering to yourself, how do I bring my story to life using AI video generation? This video is for you. Watch this video to the end. I will teach you step by step how to go about doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a story about a man and his wife fighting because of his mistress. Once I type this, I'm going to send it to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will go ahead and give me the story about a man and his wife fighting over his mistress. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give me the image prompt for this story with consistent characters. So ChatGPT will go ahead and give me the image prompt for my story with consistent characters. You can see it first described the wife and then the husband, then went ahead to give me each prompt for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4 up to scene 6. Since I asked it to give me a short story, it gave me only six scenes. Sorry. Now that this is done, I'm going to ask ChatGPT again to give me a dialogue script for this story, and it should also make sure that it is intense with the right amount of anger where needed or where necessary. Let the dialogue script also follow the image prompt so that you have your image prompt and a corresponding dialogue script. So it will just go ahead and generate the dialogue script for me. Now that ChatGPT has done all of this, you can decide to generate your image with ChatGPT, or you can decide to take it to another image generation tool like Whisk AI. But I prefer to generate this AI movie with ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image prompt for the first scene. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And once I copy it, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate it for me. So I'm going to type in generate and paste my first prompt, my first image prompt, and ChatGPT will go ahead and generate it for me. All you have to do is to be patient for ChatGPT to do that. And by the way, you can either use the paid version or the unpaid version. This ChatGPT is the version that is not paid and it's going to do the job for me. You can see how beautiful this image. I'm going to download it or save it. Then I'm going to type in generate and paste the second image prompt. I'm just going to copy the second image prompt and paste it. And also don't forget to tell ChatGPT to make the characters consistent. So you can see ChatGPT is generating my second image prompt for me. As you can see, the image is now ready, and I'm going to click on the image now and click on save in order to download it to my device. I'm going to do the same for the third image prompt till I am done generating all of my image, but I'm not going to show you in order not to waste your time, because I know by this time you understand how to get your story, your image prompts, your script, and also generate your image. So for the next step, we're going to head over to GrokAI to animate our images. Okay, so in GrokAI, all you need to do is click on this image icon, then click on animate photo. Bring in the photo you generated from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to bring this photo from my scene 2. Then I'm just going to return back to ChatGPT and copy the dialogue script for scene 2. I'm just going to copy the dialogue script for scene 2 and then head back to GrokAI and paste it in the box where it says customize your video. I'm going to paste it there and I'm going to click on send. You can see it is generating my video. All you need to do is to be patient for a few minutes and it will generate it. Once GrokAI is done generating your video, all you need to do is listen to it, take a listen to see if you like what it has generated, and if you don't like what it has generated, you can regenerate again.
Who is she?
Why are you assuming?
Because I'm not stupid, Tone.
Overreact.
You can see how easy to generate a multiple dialogue video with GrokAI. Now all I need to do is to generate my videos using all the images I generated from ChatGPT and the dialogue script for ChatGPT. I hope you now understand how to do this. You can go ahead and generate the others. I'm not going to show you in order not to waste your time, and also so that you can go and start generating your own fast. See you in the next video. Bye bye, and leave a comment if you have any.